Here are the handiest fitness tips for women who have no time at hand. In the process of losing weight and staying fit, women often end up making mistakes like eating too less, not working out as per their body type, and expecting instant results. It is essential to concentrate on having a balanced diet comprising all the nutrients and complement it with regular workouts by making exercise a fun activity rather than a boring task. Fitness is a long and tedious process, especially for women who have to deal with weight loss. With a personal trainer guiding the aspirant throughout the session, the users are motivated to work out every day and also have an efficient session of burning more, said Ankit Gupta, co-founder of Ludus, India's first audio fitness training app. Here's a fitness guide for the new age women who are too caught up with their work, having no time for fitness. 1. Healthy breakfast a must. A healthy breakfast with the inclusion of fiber and glucose is imperative to retain energy for the entire day. Out of all the 3-time meals, breakfast is the most important one, which should be light, healthy, and nutritious. Choose food that is rich in fiber, protein, calcium, vitamins, and glucose as it provides energy for the entire day, fulfilling the requirements of the body. 2. Replace junk food with healthy snacking. The very first rule of maintaining a fit body is to remove unhealthy junk and oily food from their daily routine, as it will affect your exercise routine and immune system. So switching to healthy snacking rich in protein, calcium, fats, carbs, minerals, and fiber will help in maintaining weight and reducing the risk of several diseases. 3. Follow a structured exercise pattern. One should prepare a structured exercise pattern to be followed daily with simple exercises like walking, running to tone the body. It is advised that women should exercise for at least 3 hours a week to reach their fitness goals. 4. Keep your body hydrated. When we exercise, we lose a lot of sweat, for which water is the best source that revives the body with immense energy for the day. Drinking water at regular intervals will help you avoid dehydration, leading to a healthier you, said experts Anmol Gupta, co-founder and trainer at Ludus, and Manisha Alawat, managing director, VivaFit. 5. Cut out the carbs. Women should avoid refined carb-rich foods like cookies, chocolates, honey, and white rice, as they spike your blood sugar level, produce more insulin, and increase the amount of fat in your body. Therefore, the daily diet should extensively be rich in protein, calcium, and vitamins.